animals, candidates for human incarnation. One of the most common misconceptions that many people still have to this day is to think that animals are inferior to humans. Although in the Western civilization many people are awakening to better love and understand animals, the vast majority of the rest of the world still hold outdated beliefs. They think that other living beings are in a lower level to humans, just because they don't think like humans, or because they cannot make tools, or build complex societies like humans. They say that animals are here to serve men, and to be exploited. They treat them like objects that don't have souls, and cannot conceive the idea that animals have the same needs of love, happiness, and are no different to humans in the spiritual perspective. It's ridiculous to question if animals have souls, because it's the same as doubting if humans have souls too. In fact, all living beings have souls. Anything in this world that is alive has a soul energy present, because otherwise it would be dead. Simply dead. Many souls that explore the animal kingdom choose to have experiences in that realm for a long time. But then, there are those that have closer contact to humans and get fascinated by the human ways, while thinking that humans have a better life. They want to explore human lives and have strong desires, and finally, they end up incarnating as humans. Because strong thoughts and desires manifest realities. And the same goes for the genetic evolution of living beings. Of course, not many animals want to get the human experience, the same way, not many humans think of having an animal experience. However, those who have close relation and contact with humans, or humans with animals, are more prone to experience incarnations in those bodies. Anybody who has owned a pet, whether a dog, a cat, or an exotic one, will know that each and every one of them have distinct personalities, and many times they act almost human-like in front of them. They know without a doubt that animals have souls, just like us. Long, long ago, we were all inside non-human bodies, and then moved to human bodies, and also aliens, whether some people may want to believe it or not. Meanwhile, many souls also went back and forth several times, from one body type to another. Many people that decide to have past life hypnosis sessions, to access the Akashic records, will be able to see those occurrences and time periods, and describe them. And only those who had those regression experiences will understand with ease the words being spoken in this message. For the rest, it may take a long time to get to the point of awareness, and then even more to the point of assimilation, or incorporation in the mind. So, why does this transmigration happen? Well, it's because souls like to explore, and get all the possible experiences they can. In a bodiless higher level, there is no better or worse, just experiences that are needed or wanted. Now, some traumatic actions, such as an individual's disregard for life, and the killing of an animal, because of hate, may unleash a strong karma. This may trigger a future animal incarnation of the individual that committed the crime, or a human incarnation of the victim animal. The purpose of this dynamic is to reconcile the energy imbalance that took place. Bringing them together facilitates the reconciliation process, and both individuals learn the meaning of love and forgiveness. And once these concepts are understood and practiced, the negative karmic ties dissolve. And of course, by the same token, the same can be said about an animal that kills many humans because of hate and revenge. In fact, there are many cases of beasts that have killed many humans just for those reasons. Then, these individuals are born as humans, but have a hard time integrating in society. Most of the time, not in the cognitive perspective, but rather in the social aspect, such as engaging with and trusting people. And if they are not able to dissolve the karma, they will most likely continue to commit violent acts. And the karma will continue into a future life. But in the end, it is all about bringing balance. There will be many spirits and guides that will assist in facilitating a positive resolution. Finally, it's worth mentioning that there are those animals in nature that are highly advanced and very similar to humans in many ways, such as behaviors, the perception of the world, and social relationships. These beings can also very easily incarnate as humans, adapting faster to human life than other species of animals. We are talking about elephants that are highly intelligent and perceive the world in a similar way we do. And then we have aquatic beings such as dolphins, manatees, belugas, many species of whales, and orcas. They even have a unique culture of knowledge, such as hunting, and behaviors with their surroundings, that pass on to the younger generations. Then, birds such as crows, ravens, and many species of parrots, have complex languages, a mind comparable to that of a child, and of course, they can imitate sounds and human words with ease. Of course, we cannot exclude the most obvious of all, animals such as chimpanzees, orangutans, gorillas, and other great apes such as Sasquatches, whether you want to believe it or not. They are our most closely related cousins, sharing almost identical DNA and minds. So you see, the transmigration of souls is not a possibility, but a fact that happens every day.